Sanibonani molweni. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngendaba yengane zesithembu. We can see ukubana ingane zesithembu are back in our screens. Yes, they are back with a whole bang. With full of drama, full of life. Nje tables are turning left, right and center nje. Like, it's hot guys, and it is boiling hot nje. We can see nje as it starts wangena ke uSibindi introducing himself, uze uyazitema lapho nokuyitema nje, uyazithakazelela izithakazelelo zakhe zonke zakamseleko, praising himself, asho ukubana yena uSibindi and hayi cha amakhosikazi akhona. We can see nakhona uSne naye uyasho lapho ukubana hayi uphekele utata wakhe, utata uMseleku noMato uMacele, her mom that raised her, ukubana hayi she just made dinner for them and ubefuna ukubabonga cha, especially uMacele ukubana hayi ubefuna ukusho nje ukubana hayi uyazibongela Nkosi yami ukubana it came rain, came thunder, all the seasons came, but uMacele stood by uSne nomntanake uThando, even though uMseleko did not want uThando emagcekeni akwaMseleko, saying ukubana umntana kaSne uThando, she's not eMseleko. So yena ubaba uMseleko was refusing ukubana umntana kaSne aze emagcekeni akaMseleko. uMacele stood by uSne, stood up for uSne, watsho ukubana akwenzeki ke lokho, akwenzeki, into nje engeke yenzakale. Usho ukubana umntwana akayindawo and nakhona nami angiyindawo, I'm going to raise this child as one of them Seleko child. Hayi ke bathe basasho nje khona lapho ukuthi hayi wena Sne inkinga yakho asikuthembi, uze uyasho naye ukuthi why is it that I've ever done that makes you undermine me okanye underestimate what are my abilities that I can do. Uze uyakhala uSne. uSne got so much anger in her heart. She feels disappointed. And so she feels disappointed by herself, and she feels like her family does not fully support her. So into encinci nje uSne is very emotional. Actually, I've realized ukubana uSne is like Tata uMseleko, like everything nje they take it to heart. And I've realized ukubana umnini naye tinyembezi zakhe, like he also can easily cry. Uyasho uSne ukuthi yo hayi ngiphekile ke, even though I am not expected to cook because I am not one of amakhosikazi kababa, but here I am cooking. Hayi siyabona ke usisi omdala muhle nje, uyasho nje laphana mabangena nje ku-introduction ukubana hayi this season nje ukubana hayi whatever that happens on our last season, uze uyatsho ukuthi hayi imani ke, let me not jinx it ngoba hayi whatever that I say nje ubana this mustn't happen, that thing will just happen. So for me not to jinx it, let me just keep quiet. Siyambona ke intandokazi yethu uAbongwe Nkosi yami, she's so cute, going on a date. Uyasho naye laphana ku-introduction yakhe, asho ukuthi he just want peace nje kule season. Hayi ke uLwandle yena usho ukuthi tables are turning, ain't keeping quiet anymore. Indaba zokusho ukubana abantu mabangiphathe kabuhlungu and ngiyithulele and not say a thing, this time around I am speaking up. Nampile, I am going to be telling everyone where to get. Hey guys, uzimisele ke uLwandle. Siyambona ke naye uMpilo and uAbongwe, they've got similarity energies. Uyasho naye uMpilo ukuthi yo I've been praying and praying. The only thing that I want kule season is peace, guys. And I want peace. She's even saying, I've been praying, I do not want to lose my temper the same way I did in the last season. Ukuthi hayi into encane nje ive sengicike watsho ubana kule season I just want peace, guys. I want peace, and I've been praying ukubana nothing or no one nje or whoever says what, that must not make me lose my temper. I just want peace on this season. I guess she's got a lot in her plate. She just graduated. We saw also Bana, she started a new job. So I guess nakhona you get tired from M17 and then go you must start fighting kwakhona nabantu, like you get tired. Waking up early, going to work, it's very tiring. I must say it is tiring. Like it is devastating. By the end of the week, you're like, oh, thank God I can rest. Now you weekend nje has become a 2-hour thing, but nje uyasho ukubana umpilo, I just want peace, guys. I just want calm and peace, kule energy. I do not have time to be arguing with people and losing my temper. So whatever that will be happening, uLwandle yena uyasho ubana hayi, I won't be keeping quiet anymore. I am going to speak up. uLwandle uyasho ukuthi hayi, not on this season, kule season nje I am going to be speaking up. Like isikhathi sokuthula siphelile, sihambe no-season owaphelileyo. Like ukuthula konke, I left it in the previous season. This season come around, I am going to speaking up, and I am going to be putting people in their places nje. Hayi ngoba hayi uLwandle is not a outspoken person. We've seen him, like he doesn't say much. He does not say much. Akafani noSibindi. Hayi uSibindi ke yena does not know when or where or what place. Makuthi ha uveza memezi nje ukubana ha. So uthi ke yena uLwandle, you will be joining him. Hey, okay, siyambona nkosi yami uAbongwe. They went on a date, on a sibling date. Yena noLwandle. They went on like a boat. It's not even a boat cruise. It's like that normal boat that you manually have to sail, that you need to pedal to sail it. Shemu, we saw them having so much fun. Masisathi sibuyela ke kule dinner ibiphekiwe uSneh. Mabasathi bamhlaba ngembuzo ukuthi kanti kahle hle wena Sneh, wenziwa yini ukuthi whatever that we come up with you to help you and assist you in everything. Utatake uze uyasho ukubana last time wathi wena nikufunela umsebenzi and I did find you a job. Ke athi nangu Sneh did not even last at that job. She left the job and went to Durban, apparently bana ayehlala nendoda, because apparently one of the friends sent uTata uMseleku i-text saying ubana uSneh apho akhona eDurban, she is not swimming in the sea and sipping cocktails at the beach, uhlezi nendoda. So the moment they started confronting uSneh, uSneh yena, she's like, you know what, since you going through that direction, angisayingeni leyo ke. She walked away. So you can see lana Abongwe and uLwandle, they went on a sibling date. They say that they always enjoy their date. I guess who cannot enjoy uAbongwe nkosi yami? uAbongwe got such a satisfying energies around her. Like she's always have positive vibes. She's always happy. She's always like nje umuntu that anyone you would want to be around him. So yeah, they normally do indoors date and go and sit down. This time around at hike, they're going to go at the river and actually go like on like a boat ride, like a manual boat riding. So yeah, we can see like hi, the boat is not boating, the pedaling, it's not pedaling because yeah, they were even stuck. The boat crew had to come and rescue them because when they are pedaling left, the boat is going right. When they are pedaling right, the boat is going left. But the boat guide had to come and assist them. Hi guys, you are doing it wrong. You're supposed to do it this way so that the boat goes forward, not to be stuck at the same place. So baze bayatsho nje ukuthi okay, so now ke hi, we are cruising nicely nakhona. So yeah, even uAbongwe is telling uLwandle ukubana hayi, start taking content ke ngoku, taking content whether we are stuck here at the corner of this river or we are moving. We need to contentarize when I say every moment of this date. Uyasho ke ukubana hayi, whether we are stuck okanye we are moving forward, content is content. Ukusalayo abantu babe bebonile ukubana hayi, we did this. Hayi, we can see ke the dinner didn't end so well. Usne ended up walking away because Usne, they started questioning her about the guy who actually called Utata Mseleku saying ukubana he wants to come and pay ilobola for Usne. And apparently the guy that she was with in Durban, it's not the guy who called Ubaba Mseleku. So nje hayi, idrama kaSne and nento zakhe nje. She ended up walking away saying, Bana, since you start with this topic again, it wasn't the topic bana and beniyiphekele yona. So you can continue have that conversation. Mabasathi bayamsho nje bambuza ngembuzo, bamhlaba ngembuzo. She just stood up and walked away. Yep, that's ne for you. She's like, hi, whether you are my father or who are you, if you start questioning things that I do not want to talk about, count me out. Count me out. Usasho ke baze bayambuza lapho ukuthi why is it that wena everything that you do nje it needs to be like out of the way. Siyambona ke uLwandle asho nje ukuthi hayi, the boat cruising, it wasn't so easy pedaling this boat the river, boat on the river nje, row your boat. Yeah, so the boat wasn't rolling as much as they wanted it to, but as long you go to Abongwe Nkosi yami, everything ends up going so well. Everything ugcine nje ekugqibeleni sithe uhamba ngolayi ngoba uphethe u-Abo, everything always turns out perfectly. At the end of the day, they're like, oh wow, we enjoyed the boat riding. Baze bayasho nje ukubana hayi, sithe siqala la, we were not so sure ukubana was this a good idea yokubana size kule date le ukuthi sizodlalela emanzini, because hayi, amanzi ayothusa kaloko. So yeah, they were starting to get agitated, but yeah, they did enjoy it. They did enjoy it. It was something new, but at the end of that boat riding, they enjoyed very much. So yeah, it seems very fun and very enjoyable. No, Abongwe always has something positive to say nje ukuthi hayi, this one was so nice, so great. Ngiyaqhubeka ke indaba yedina ke uMseleku uze uyabuza uSne ukuthi hayi, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ufuna ukubonga nje ngesincane sho ukubana uSne bekafuna ukuthi ayenze okungumcimbi nyana. Uyambuza ke ukuthi hawu, Phela, if you are going to do something like that, you need to thank all them celeb, even your abantwana bami ofuna ukubagwaza eSunset. Do you still remember that incident that happened in Sun City when Usne started pointing everyone with a butter knife on the table saying, you, nawe. Siya pretendela nalana as she was crying, saying, Bana, why is it that when it's just us kids, all of you guys, you always make me cry? And everyone was like, okay, can we please calm down with the knife? Because she was pointing and raving at everyone. And umacelo uyasho ukubana wena kahle kahle you don't know when to stop once you start with alcohol. So umselebe uze uyasho ukubana how kanti she was drunk, is that why she was busy pointing everyone with the knife? We can see ke lana uTirelo as well. She's like, yeah, she just finished with isikole. So she was busy naye ke kulo nyaka ophelile abusy ngeyikole, but you see ukubana like now she's getting agitated ukubana how kanti uSibindi uyotsho nini ukubana hayi will you marry me nkosi yami? But ke uSibindi uphezulu kweinto zakhe. So uze uyasho la ukuthi yeah, you get excited when you hear abanye abantu okanye you see other ladies with rings on their fingers. You also get excited ukubana nawe you want to be Mrs. Spengu, Mrs. Mseleku okanye Mrs. Chabalala. You see into ekanjalo nje. Hayi, but uSibindi ke yena uTirelo nje uyasho uyazibuza ukuthi yeah khona at the time you do get excited ukubana you wanna do that. So she went for like a sip and painting kind of vibe with her friend where she was explaining ukubana she is not so sure now about actually marrying uMpumelelo ngoba uMpumelelo ngathi akazazi ukuthi ufunani. So now she's telling the friend ukubana like ezinye izinto you can see them happening now, and then at the same time you ask yourself ukubana okay, if such things are happening now while still we are outside the marriage, what is going to happen once you are inside Nabile, you are married to this person? Ukubana what do you guys think about uTirelo noMpumelelo? Do you think uMpumelelo will propose kuTirelo first before he actually propose? Because remember uMpumelelo, he's been saying bana the first wife is going to be a virgin, and that wife is going to be the wife that he wants to pay lobola first. That was the main reason why uVuyo left ukubana njani kaloko uzonqelela ukubana you want to go and marry a virgin. I was a virgin when you got me pregnant. Don't forget to like, share, and guys, I missed you so much.